Thank you, Emma. Do you want some juice? Is that your car? Beep, beep. Shut the door. Shut the door so you can get in and take a ride. Shut the door.
No.
Okay. Be careful. Don't fall, Emma. You tired?
Okay.
You want to go night-nights?
Okay.
Where's Skylar? Where's Skylar? Where's Skylar? Towel? That's my towel, yes. Emma, where's Skylar? Emma, show me where Skylar is. The picture. Can you show me? Night-night? You want to go night-night? Are you tired, honey? Oh, Emma's sleeping. Good night.
Bye.
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 Okay, do you want some juice? Oh, somebody fell asleep. Everybody be quiet. Emma's sleeping.